Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. First of all, if my voice sounds a little bit weird, it's because I am really sick right now, so please do not mind that. So yeah, talking about today's video, today I'm here with gorgeous Indian bridal eye makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this kind of red purple smoky eye look, and I have used a different technique to create today's look that I will be sharing with you shortly, so please do not skip any part. I call it a modern bridal look. Of course, you can do a cut crease or you can do a wing with this look. Makeup is really customizable. So yeah, before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. So yeah, I am starting with my eyebrows, and for that I am taking my Anastasia deep brow pomade in the shade Ebony, and the brush that I'm using, it is from Morphe. First I'm just drawing the borders of my brows, and then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. I already shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. If you are interested, I will link that video down in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And now I am taking my Milani concealer in the shade 135, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I am doing a bridal makeup, this step is a must for me. I am applying the same concealer on my eyelid to prime my eyelid for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. You can use any eyeshadow primer or concealer that you have in your collection. Prepping your eyelids is really important. It makes such a huge difference. For example, if you use a concealer that is too drying, it might ruin your eye makeup, or if a concealer is too emollient, it might ruin your eye makeup. If you use a lot of powder to set it, it might ruin your eye makeup. So please keep that in mind. For today's look, I am using my Revolution Pro New Neutrals eyeshadow palette, and I am first taking the shade Majestic. It is a beautiful darker purple shade, and with this Morphe brush I am applying it on my outer V area as well as on my outer crease. So the technique that I was talking about, it is like using darker shades on the outer part of your eyes and lighter shades on the inner parts of your eyes, and it includes your crease, your transition shades as well. So I am first applying this darker deeper shade on my outer V area as well as on my outer crease, and then I will use a darker shade to blend it out. You will see what I'm talking about. Now I am taking this particular shade called Karma. It is a lighter kind of a I would say a reddish brown shade, and I am blending out the edge of the previous shade. This is going to be my outer V area transition shade, and yeah, I'm just blending it out. And talking about the quality of this eyeshadow palette, you guys, the quality is so super good. It is one of the well formulated eyeshadow palettes from Makeup Revolution. I'm just reapplying the first shade, the Majestic shade, because I felt like I lost some of the intensity during the blending process. Now I am taking the shade Rumor. It's again a red toned brown shade, but it is a tad bit lighter than the outer V area shade, and I'm popping it right here on the inner crease area, and this is going to be my inner crease shade, and I am blending it out with the same Morphe brush, and I am kind of merging it with the outer V area shade or outer crease area shade, if that makes sense. Now I am taking this light brown shade called Whisper, and I'm blending out the edge of the previous shade. This is going to be my transition color for my inner corner, and could you see that difference, that darker shades on the outer part of my eye and the lighter shades on the inner part of my eye? This technique is particularly good for people with hooded eyes or droopy eyes. It just creates an illusion of like lighter inner corner, and it just opens up your eyes instantly. So this particular technique is particularly good for hooded eyes because I wanted the color to be a little darker. And now I am taking this particular shade called Zoned. It's a beautiful, like, not really red, not really pink, not really brown. It's a cocktail of everything. And this shade, I'm just applying it on the middle part of my eyelid with this Morphe M456 brush, and I am patting the color and I'm building it up. Since it is a matte shade, this type of a fluffy blush would work with a matte shade. Now I'm taking Jazz It Up. It is a beautiful like shimmery shade. It has a pink undertone to it, pink and silver undertone to it, and I am popping it right here on the inner part of my eyelid. And for that I'm using this Morphe M124 brush. You guys always ask me for recommendations for brushes. In case you are a beginner, you can of course go ahead and use something else, but I really like Morphe brushes as well as some Sigma brushes, and a video on my favorite brushes is coming up pretty soon on my channel, so please stay tuned for that. I'm just reapplying that Zone shade again. And now I am taking this Super Shock shadow from Colourpop called Ritz. It's a beautiful ivory shimmer shade, and I'm popping it right on the inner corner of my eye. And you know, for eye makeup, little details, they matter. And I am taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, and I am just drawing not actually a wing, I'm just lining the eyelid area. You can of course go ahead and do a wing if you wish to, but for today's look I wanted to keep it simple and nice, so it's just the eyelid area, and I'm just blending out the edge of the eyeliner just to give it a smokier look. As I mentioned, every little detail matters. And I am applying a kajal. This is my Milani kajal in the shade After Dark, and I am tight lining with it. Now taking that outer V area shade, I am applying it on the outer part of my lower lash line. Basically I will be following the same steps that I followed for my eyelid. Taking that lid shade called Zoned, I am applying it next to the outer V area shade, and taking my inner crease shade, I'm applying it on the inner part of my eyelid. Now I am taking this shade called Whisper, and I am smudging out the entire lower lash line, actually the border of the previous shades that I just applied, if that makes sense. And I am taking my Sivana Shimmer Weak highlighter in the shade 02, and I'm popping it right here on the inner corner of my eye as well as on my brow bone. In case you are looking for a solid, like affordable highlighter, definitely check this highlighter out, it's worth it. And I'm just elongating the inner corner eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just giving it a V shape. It will give my eyes that elongated, sultry look, which I absolutely love. And now I'm just curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. For my lashes, I am using Gala from Kiss. These are very beautiful lashes, you guys. I will mention some alternatives in the description box down below in case these lashes are not available in your country. And that is pretty much it. You guys, this is a very simple yet very attractive eye look in my opinion, and it is beginner friendly at the same time. And the technique that I just shared with you, that darker to lighter transition, that technique, please try this out, and I am sure it will make a huge difference in case you have droopy or hooded eyes. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, and please do share this video with your friends and family, and please leave a comment. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.